In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Ellipal Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Ellipal Wallet, and then in here you want to select your token that you would like to transfer, so your crypto. For example, let's say you want to transfer TRX, Tron, you want to simply click on that, and then from there you want to click on receive. After you click receive, you will basically get an address you want to send crypto from Coinbase to. So the way you do this is by going to Coinbase, and inside Coinbase, you want to click on My Assets over here on the left, or if you're using a mobile device and using Coinbase on your phone, it should be quite similar, and then you want to click on Send Crypto over here. And then inside over here where you can see the search box, you want to paste in your address. So I just pasted in a random address over here, and then you want to simply click on it. It shows this is a wallet, and if you have sufficient crypto, so in case you have any crypto of that kind, you will be able to send it there. So if I click on it now, I don't have any Tron, as you can see. However, if I had any Tron, I'd be able to select how much I would like to send, and then you can confirm and click send, and that's pretty much it. You've successfully sent crypto from Coinbase to Ellipal Wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.